Hi everyone, this is Abir. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 404 not found. This is the most common problem in SEO, and in this video, I'm going to share a practical guide how you can find and how you can solve 404 not found, and also what can be the impact of 404 not found in your SEO campaign. So before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe it, and if you have any suggestions or any recommendations, let me know in the comments below. Alright, so let's move forward. What is 404 not found? So if you see or if you experience a 404 not found, that means the server is unable to load that page that you are looking for. Either you have misspelled the URL, or either the page is deleted or the link is broken. So there can be a multiple reason of 404 not found. And what can be the impact of it? It can disturb both user experience and search engine bot as well. So for example, if as a user you try to find information and you try to open a link and the link is not present or the page is deleted, and that means the user experience is disturbed because the information or the page is not present there. And when it comes to search engine bot, so it also disturb the experience of search engine bot, because if search engine bot try to crawl a page and if the page is give error for not found, and that means that is something wrong with the page, and it can also negatively affect your SEO campaign. And if there are multiple 404 not found error in your website, so it can also consume a lot of crawl budget. And how you can optimize your website crawl budget, I have already made a video on this topic. You can check that, you can find in the playlist. I will also leave the link in the description. Alright, so this is 404 error, and this can be the impact of 404 error. So now how you can find 404 not found. So practically there can be two ways to find 404 not found. One is through Google Search Console. Google Search Console, and the second one is Screaming Frog. That is a software that we use to crawl the site, and it gives all the information, and we can also track any error in the website. So first of all, let's talk about Google Search Console. So it is very simple. You just need to go Google Search Console and you have to click on pages, and there you can find a lot of errors with the named. So you have to find 404 not found. So there you can see that is 404 not found. So you have to click on it, and you will be able to see the multiple pages that are giving error 404 not found. So for example, if I try to open this, so it is giving an error which is 404, the page cannot be found. And this is a variation, and let me find a URL that looks legit. So if I try to open this, so it says the page cannot be found, and this is 404 not found. And how we can solve them? So let's just inspect it, and it says the page is not indexed, not found, and it isn't giving any information except this. And that is why I always prefer Screaming Frog, because with the Screaming Frog we can track 404 not found from where the 404 error is coming. So all you need is, we have to crawl the website with a Screaming Frog. As you can see, I have already crawled the site, and the crawl is 100% completed. You just need to put the URL and to click on start, and it will start crawling your site, and you have to wait until it's completed to 100%. So you have to click on response code, and there you have to click on client error 4x. So these all are 404 errors. So that means there are almost 23 to 24 errors that are giving error 404 not found. And how we can solve them? First, we need to track them. So for example, I have to click on the first page, the first URL, and at the bottom, I have to click on in links. And there I can find the information type hyperlink, from where it is coming from, and from where it is coming from, and it is going to that page. And I also track the anchor text, and I can find the information by using anchor text. So all we need is I have to open that URL in the Google, and now I have to click on sport, Control F, and you can see there are almost 4 anchor text. So that is giving an option that is 404 not found. That means the link is here, and that is either not working, is not live, or either it's broken. So how I can solve them? I need to edit that page, and I need to replace the URL, and that's it, how we can solve 404 not found. And the other thing is, so this is also the second URL. I have to copy it, and I have to click on anchor text, Control F, and you can see the page cannot be found, it's 404. So this is how you can track 404 not found, and you can solve them. Another thing is, if there isn't any link, or there isn't any anchor text, and that means you are experiencing the 404 page, that is the primary page, or that is the main page. So let me just give you an example. So for example, I have opened this page, and this is the main URL. So how I can solve them? If I have the same page in the website present, that is live, I can redirect to this page, to that one. And if there is any if there isn't any relevant page to that page, and that means I can declare it 410. So what is 410? So 410, I can declare 410. So 410 mean the search engine bot will understand the page is gone, and it is not present there, and it is deleted permanently, and now the case is closed, and it will not disturb the search engine bot. So this is how you can solve 404 not found. So I hope this will help you to find 404 not found, and also you have learned how to tackle them. So if you like the video, press the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also like the video. And if you have any suggestions or any recommendations, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much.